Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you where to find and how to check your MacBook battery cycles. And to do this, you will need to go on the search bar and write down system information and go ahead and click on that. Now after you are here, you will see a lot of options here to choose from, and to find the battery cycles, you of course need to find the battery. So it is on the power section right there. And here is your battery information. Where is the cycle count? And then as you can see, the cycle count is 219 for me. Now, the higher battery cycle, the worse it is. But basically, if it reaches 1,000 cycles, then it's not great. The 219 is pretty good. So if this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.